Hello and welcome to Vlogs with Jay. Jay is me, Jack. Yes, hello. This is my gaming merchandise vlog about gaming merchandise. And today we have the Assassin's Creed Ezio unboxing. It's gonna be fun. Okay, so I've already got this a little open because I didn't want to break the box. I wanted to keep the box in good condition, and that took a while to open like that, so, Okay, shall we? Got some stick. And when I was looking at this, the detail is great. So, now we have here Ezio. Shall we? So here we have Ezio from Assassin's Creed franchise. This is pretty dang cool. Well, shall we? He has sword, his sword holder. It's pretty cool. Put that back in. Then he also has a dagger there that I'm not going to take out. That thing's little piece, don't want to lose it. His head doesn't move. But this is simply just truly awesome. I've always loved the Assassin's Creed franchise. So he has other pieces here. Well, first off, he has two hands which are capable of holding weapons. Then we have these other little things, which I'm assuming are hidden blades. Yeah, they look like they're hidden blades, but I don't know where you'd put them on. So, well, shall we? I'm gonna get one hidden blade, and then another enclosed hidden blade. Okay. So then, that goes there. So yeah, that's been Vlog with Jay with our gaming merchandise show. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like if you want more of this stuff from my collection. Just leave a comment. Thanks. If you would like Minecraft or Halo next week, just leave a comment. See ya. Bye.